What is software testing? Let's understand and see why it's important to do it. Software testing is the process of checking if a software application works correctly and meets the required standards or not. It involves finding and fixing any problems or bugs in the software to ensure it runs smoothly. Example: imagine you are using a mobile app to order food. Software testing would involve checking if the app lets you browse the menu, add items to your cart, make payments, and receive the correct order. If anything doesn't work, like the app crashing when you try to pay, that's a bug, and it would need to be fixed before the app is released to users. In short, software testing is like checking your homework before submitting it, making sure everything is correct and works as it should. So, how we can learn about software testing? At IT Topper, we help you with real-world tools and techniques used by industry professionals. You'll gain the confidence to analyze software, conduct detailed testing, and ensure every product meets the highest standards of quality. Whether you are looking to launch a career in software testing or take your existing skills to the next level, our institute offers the resources and mentorship you need to succeed. Don't miss the chance to be part of an industry that is essential to the digital world. Join IT Topper and begin your journey to becoming a certified software testing professional. Enroll today and start building your future with us on January 25, 2025. Your IT career is waiting, and IT Topper is here to help you make it happen. Why wait? Visit our website at ittopper.com, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any queries.